Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all on the YouTube platform of our channel, The Learning Capital. We are ready with our new video of English vocabulary dose. So before starting, there is a request to my viewers that please write in comment section about what do you like in this video and what are the areas where we can improve. So that would be very helpful for us. Now let's begin. Our first word is imminent. It's an adjective. ये एक विशेषण है. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है समुपस्थित. In English, it is impending. This word is usually used about something unpleasant. So here we can see the example sentence. They were in imminent danger of being swept away. हिंदी में अगर हम देखें, वह मिटा दिए जाने या ख़त्म होने के खतरे के बहुत नज़दीक थे. Synonym at hand or close and antonym is remote. Our next word is accountability. It's a noun. ये एक संज्ञा है. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है जवाबदेही. In English it is responsibility. Example sentence. Lack of accountability has corroded public respect for political leaders. राजनीतिक नेताओं की जवाबदेही की कमी के कारण जनता का उन पे से विश्वास उठ गया है. Synonym words are liability or answerability and antonym is irresponsibility. So in place of lack of accountability, in other way you can also use irresponsibility. Our next word is deny. It's a verb. ये एक क्रिया है. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अस्वीकार करना. In English it is refuse. So the example sentence could be, in court he denied all the charges. कोर्ट में उसने अपने ऊपर लगाए गए सभी चार्जेस पे को अस्वीकार कर दिया. और she was denied permission to remain in the court. Or the sentence that you are seeing on the screen, the inquiry was denied access to intelligence. The synonym words are turn down, reject, and antonym is accept. Our next word, excavation. Again, it's a noun. ये एक संज्ञा है. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है उत्खनन. In English it is unearthing. Example sentence. The methods of excavation have to be extremely rigorous. उत्खनन की प्रतिक्रिया बहुत ही सावधानी और बारीकी से करनी चाहिए. Synonym words are uncovering or revealing and antonym is bury. Our next word is sustainable. It's an adjective. ये एक विशेषण है. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है सतत. In English continual, or that can be continue or be continued for long time. Example sentence. Economic growth must be gradual and sustainable. Synonym words are continuous, viable, and antonym word is unsustainable. Our next word is spur. Please hear the pronunciation carefully. It's spur. ये एक संज्ञा है. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है प्रोत्साहन. In English it is stimulus. There is actually one more meaning that is not so relevant, but it is used for a particular object. It is actually a piece of metal that a rider wears on the back of his or her boots to encourage the horse to go faster. And it can also be used, spur can also be used as a verb, like for encouraging somebody. For example, the letter spurred me into action. Or here the example sentence that you are seeing is, wars acts as a spur to the practical invention. Synonym word are incentive, encouragement, and antonym word is disincentive. Our next word is deliberate. It's again an adjective. यह विशेषण है. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है सविचार. In English intentional. Example sentence. A deliberate attempt was made to provoke. Synonym words are calculated, conscious, and antonym word is accidental. Our next word is eminent. Again an adjective. हिंदी में अर्थ है प्रख्यात. In English, illustrious. Example sentences: he is one of the world's most eminent personality. So it's an easy one. And synonym word are distinguished or renowned, and antonym word is unknown. Our next word is extraordinary. Again an adjective, again an easy word. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है असाधारण, remarkable. Example sentence: the sight of thousands of flamingos flying in the sky was extraordinary. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ देखें तो हजारों राजहंसों को आकाश में उड़ने का दृश्य असाधारण या अद्भुत था. फ्लेमिंगोस को हिंदी में राजहंस बोलते हैं. Synonym word is exceptional, amazing, and antonym word is ordinary. Our next word intimacy. It's a noun, एक संज्ञा है. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है घनिष्ठता. In English, closeness. Example sentences: the intimacy of these two is evident to all. तो उनकी नज़दीकियाँ सभी के सामने स्पष्ट हैं. Synonym word is togetherness or affinity, and antonym word is being unfriendly. So that is all for this video. I hope you have learned something useful. So thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.